sphygmomanometer.
Oh, I can't remember. Yeah, yeah. I remember
Sphygmomanometer.
yeah.
Sphygmoman.
That's all.
Yes, I have that one, but it's hard for me to use. Lisod. Lisod siya. Alisuran ko ato niya. And this one is easy because, you know, pindot-pindot ano nimo, and then hi everyone, if you are new here, this is Anne from the Moji family, and for today's video I'm gonna show you my unboxing. I ordered this from Amazon. So this is a blood pressure monitor. So let's start. So let's open this, and so the brand of the blood pressure monitor that I ordered in Amazon is the Omron one. So how did I decide Omron? Why did I choose Omron? So someone recommended me to buy this because one thing is good quality, and it's number one doctors recommend brand. So this is the box look like, and we can see here the Omron blood pressure monitor, the 10 series upper arm, and it says here that doctors, pharmacists are recommended brand. So let's open the box and let's see. So why use an Omron brand blood pressure monitor? It's easy to use. It says here easy to use, reduces common user measurements error, doctors recommended brand. It says it's number one selling manufacturer of blood pressure monitors for over 40 years. So let's see. So we have here this the machine. Bubble wrap. So it's here. So it says easy wrap, comfy inflates around your entire arm, helping to ensure the brachial artery is compressed for an accurate reading. Then Bluetooth, says it's Bluetooth. Now you can wirelessly transfer your readings to your smart device, making it easy to track your progress over time. Wow. So here's a wristband. So this one, oh, includes the battery as well. So good. That includes the battery. Look. And it says Bluetooth. You can wirelessly transfer your readings to your smart device.
Maybe there's an app.
Yeah. Full list of compatible devices. They have the website. So you have to visit their website, omronhealthcare.com/connect. So there you can see the compatible devices that so the manual book. Let's see. So I need this because I don't know how to use this machine. So I actually have the manual one, the sphygmomanometer.
Oh, I can't remember. Yeah, yeah. I remember
Sphygmomanometer.
yeah.
Sphygmoman.
That's all.
Yes, I have that one, but it's hard for me to use. Lisod. Lisod siya. Alisuran ko ato niya, and this one is easy because you know, pindot-pindot ano nimo, and then it will come out the result. So no more inside the box. I don't. My sphygmomanometer. So I keep that one also because maybe in the future Daniela will use that. So I just keep it for a while. So this is the instruction, quick start guide. So download the app. Yeah, they have the app. So here they have the App Store or the Google Play. Download the app. Next is install the batteries. Here they have here the instructions. And the next one, after you install the battery, pair your smart device. So this one and the phone. Then apply the arm cuff. Sit correctly. So this is, so I have to follow this. So why I bought this one? Because yeah, this is important to you, to me pala. And one, because one time I experienced what do you call that one? What do you call that one, that I experienced before that?
What?
Palpitation.
Yeah, heart palpitation.
Yeah, heart palpitations. It lasts for 10 to 15 minutes, and it was like really strong heartbeat. And I don't want to go see the doctor because that time, even now, because it's pandemic, right? So I don't want to see. And I don't want to I don't like the doctors here. I don't like. So it's better to check. No, it's also good to go see the doctor to check your health, what's going on with your body. Then it's also nice to have your own device at home to check your health, what's going on. So here is the adapter. I don't know how to use it, but then I will try to check. I will check this and how to use this. So let's open this. So for sure this one will connect to the device here. This one connected to here. Yeah, and we'll put the battery. For sure we'll put the battery first, and then this one, and then turned on. And yeah, or you can use the battery or the adapter. So if you don't want to use this, then you can use the battery here. And yeah, that's it. This is the Omron blood pressure monitor, the 10 series upper arm. So these are the features, guys. Advanced accuracy, the Bluetooth connectivity, comparison display. It says dual LCD screen display enables side-by-side viewing of your current reading compared to your previous reading. So easy wrap comfort cup. So this is the one. And 2-user mode allows 2 users to track their readings. Advanced averaging, true read, and extra large digits with black light for easier to read results. A regular heartbeat symbol alerts you of the number up to 3 of irregular heartbeats while your blood pressure is being measured. And 200 memory storage. High symbol, easy to read. Symbols appears if your systolic blood pressure is 130 or above, and or diastolic blood pressure is 80. Oh, yeah. So easy adapter, plugs into your wall, so the motor is ready whenever you are ready. So guys, if you want to purchase the same brand, I will put the link from the Amazon. I'll put the link in the description box below, so that easy for you to purchase. And so that's it for today, and that's it for my video. That's all for my video. Showed you all the what's inside this Omron blood pressure monitor. The next video that I will make is how to use it, and yeah, how to use it. So that's it for today's video. And if you are new here, this is Anne Morgie. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, The Morgie Family. And make sure to hit the bell button so that you will get notified. And if you like this video, please share to your friends. and leave the comment down below.